highest precision, maximum process reliability, and a clear zero-defect strategy. That is our claim. And that's exactly why we at KRAMSKI, together with Kistler and Nidec SYS, have developed the Inline Vision Weld System marking.
An integrated solution for machine vision, laser marking, and automated quality control, including automatic reject handling directly in production.
With this, we are setting new standards for end-to-end production reliability and automated quality control in sheet metal processing.
As international specialists in stamping and hybrid technology, we want to keep setting new standards in production. Whether in Europe, Asia, or North America, we develop and produce high-precision components and complex assemblies for the automotive industry, electronics, and medical technology, among others.
The existing vision inspection image processing systems already met many requirements. However, increasing quality demands and the need for even more stable processes required further optimization.
Our biggest challenge? Absolutely reliable to distinguish between good parts and scrap without generating so-called pseudo-scrap, especially in spot weld inspection.
Our Inline Vision and Weld System enables 100% inspection without stopping the stamping line, including automatic rejection of non-conforming parts. If a non-conforming part is detected in the Kistler inspection cell, it is positioned in the cutting station of the Nidec SYS cutting and welding unit via a shift register. There, the defective part is separated together with the carrier strip by a cutting punch. The carrier strip is then rejoined and reconnected using a laser welding process. The entire process takes only a few seconds. The non-conforming part is removed without interrupting the operation of the stamping line. Another key feature that sets us apart from our competitors is the newly developed integrated marking laser, our marking on the fly technology. This enables each stamped part to be marked directly during the ongoing production process.
The biggest challenge was the precise coordination of all components. The vision system, laser marking, separating and feeding units, as well as the exact positioning of the parts. The solution, fully automated inspection of stamped strips directly within the ongoing production process, without interruption.
From the very beginning, the cooperation with Kistler and Nidec SYS was based on partnership and solution-oriented. Everyone contributed their expertise, and we developed the topics together at the plant. It was not only the technical idea that was important, but also the clean implementation in everyday production until the process was stable. Today, the system is absolutely stable and fully suitable for industrial use. The advantages for our production and quality are enormous. It is a future-proof basis for us to be able to react flexibly to new requirements. We want to push technological boundaries and at the same time produce the highest quality economically. The Inline Vision and Weld System, which we have implemented together here, is a real milestone in this regard. It helps us extremely well to consistently live our zero-defect strategy and to automate our production further and further.